Welcome to JD's Dale Auto. My name's Jeff. I thank you for joining me. I hope everybody's doing well. I started working on a 1968 Camaro Z28 by AMT. Grab it. This one here. Yeah, I kind of got ahead of myself a little bit and started working on the body and stuff. But I didn't do a whole lot. But how about this? We just go right to the bench and I'll show you what I got done. I sanded down the whole entire body, the hood and everything. I am going with the supercharged cut hood. It did come with two hoods. Here's the original hood. But I decided I want to do with the supercharged hot rod look. I did sand it down the whole entire body. I did all the panel lines are done. I engraved in those. I always do that before I paint, because I'm always the one that's scared enough to. I'm gonna scratch that paint. Then you have to strip it and redo it or sand it and all that good stuff. So I kind of do mine before I paint. I always had success in it. I've done it both ways. But I've also inset the trunk. I did get the front panel glued in, set and ready. Same thing with the back. I did strip the chrome off the front grille, and I'm gonna redo that. I stripped the chrome off the supercharger because I want to repaint that. I did valve covers the same way. And I can't grab a hold of it. Yeah, I want to do the valve covers the same way. This has a little detail to it. I don't know how well you can see it. And I got air cleaners from a different kit. So instead of going with, let me grab them. These here. Instead of going with these here, I was never a big fan of these. But I decided to go with two smaller air cleaners. Now, I grabbed the rims from another kit too. Now, I really like these. All I gotta do is add, smooth them out a little bit and add some black wash. But the tires came from the kit, and they all say Goodyear on it. I decided I was gonna go with the one big one and one small one. It does come with 4 wide ones, and it did come with 4 small ones. But I'm going to go with one of each, and I kind of like that idea that I'm going with. I did decide on a color. I decided to go with my Crayola. It's their color match paint and primer, and I decided to go with gloss sun yellow. I thought that and black would look really good together. Because I want to do the window trim all in black, but I got something special for the hood. So the next video, I'm going to be doing the hood and the trim. I'll tell you what, we'll go from here and we'll get this painted up and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and it's all painted. I just got it out of the dehydrator not that long ago. I like the way the color came out. It looks really nice. I did get a little dirt in it. I'll probably end up wet sanding it. It's not too bad, but I'll still probably end up wet sanding it and polishing it up real good. I did get the hood done. And I do have some planned for the hood. And in the next video, I do plan on doing all the window trim and the hood. I got something special for the hood I want to try and do. I did it once. I'm going to try and do it again. But yeah, I think it came out really good. I like the color yellow. I mean, I really do. I think it looks really nice. Like I said, a little bit of wet sanding and polishing, and we'll see if I can get a lot of that dust particles out. and some other detail I'll have done. I want to thank everybody for watching. And I also want to say thank you to Shaddy's Awesome Garage. I really appreciate the shout out. And if you haven't seen his content, I'll leave a link down below to his YouTube channel. He does some awesome work. And I enjoy his content. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and all my viewers. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that little bell icon for notifications. And please comment. I do read my comments. I try to reply to them as soon as I can. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a good one.